any answer, make sure that you are double checking it by whatever understanding or any concept that you can think of. Next, identify the true mirror image of the following amongst the answer figures with respect to x dash x. Okay, now this is the image that has been given to you. You have to make its mirror image, and out of the 4 options that have been given to you, you have to identify the correct true mirror image of this figure. Okay, now again, by both the methods, either you go by elimination method or you draw the correct answer for this and then you check which one of the following matches it. So let me go by the elimination method now. First we drew it and then we checked for the correct answer. Now let us go for the elimination method. Okay, in this portion what do you need? You need this hatched portion and you need 2 lines like this. Okay, this cannot be correct because these 2 lines are missing. This can be correct. This cannot be correct again because you don't have the hatch portion over here and you don't have the lines. So even option number 3 cannot be correct. Then option number 4 can also not be correct because you don't have these 2 lines. Now what have you observed in all of these cases? In all of these you have the hatch square and the 2 lines but not in the correct position. For example, if this is the line of symmetry or this is the mirror line, then this portion should come here, not here, not here and not here. So the position of the element that you are looking at is very important. Okay, so you have hatched or colored square with 2 lines here, colored square with 2 lines here, colored square with 2 lines and colored square with 2 lines. Just the location or the position of that particular element is correct only in option number 2. Okay.